In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change LinkedIn job title. If you need to update your current position on LinkedIn, the good news is that it only takes a moment once you know where to look. This is useful if your role has changed, your title has been adjusted, or you simply want your profile to better reflect what you do now. Keeping this section accurate can help your profile look more professional and up to date. To begin, go to your LinkedIn homepage and look at the top of the screen. Click the Me icon, then choose View Profile. This will take you directly to your personal profile page where all of your professional details are listed. Once you're on your profile, scroll down until you find the Experience section. This is the area where your current and past roles appear. Look for the specific job title you want to change, and then click the pencil icon next to that position. The pencil icon is the Edit button, and selecting it will open a pop-up window with the details for that role. Inside the pop-up window, find the field labeled Title. This is where you'll make your update. Carefully replace your existing job title with the new one you want displayed on your profile. Take a second to review it for spelling, capitalization, and overall clarity, since this is one of the first things people may notice when they visit your page. Before you save the change, there is one important setting to check. If you do not want LinkedIn to notify your connections about this update, look for the Share with Network or Notify Network option. Toggle that switch to Off. This helps you make the change quietly without sending an alert to your network. After that, go ahead and save your update. Your revised job title should now appear in the Experience section of your profile. As a quick tip, after saving, it's a good idea to look over your profile again and make sure your headline, About section, or any other role-related details still match your updated title. That way your profile stays consistent and gives a clear picture of your professional background. That's all it takes to change your LinkedIn job title. Once you know where the profile and edit tools are, the process is simple and fast.